It's a new day.
It's a new vlog.
It's chemistry.
First, we're going to talk about
What is molality? Molality is a property of a solution and is defined as the number of moles of a solute per kilogram of solvent. In particular, molality is used when you determine melting point, work with colligative properties. Example, boiling point elevation and freezing point depression. Do you know someone who can give an example what is molality?
I think, yes, I know someone who can give an example and formula of molality.
Example, what is the molality when 20.0 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 500.0 ml of water? Unknown, molality. Given, 20.0 grams of sodium hydroxide and 500.0 ml of water. Formula, molality is equals to mole of solute divided by kilogram of solvent. First, we will get the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Sodium is equals to 23, oxygen is equals to 16, and hydrogen is equals to 1. The total molar mass is equals to 40. 20.0 gram of sodium hydroxide divided by 40 is equals to 0.500 mole. So we have 500.0 ml of water, and we will convert it into kilogram. In 1 ml, we have 1 gram. In 1000 gram, we have 1 kilogram. We will move the decimal point to the left, and we will get 0.500 kilogram. Molality is equals to 0.500 mole divided by 0.500 kilogram. We will get molality is equals to 1.00 mole over kilogram, or 1.00 mole.
I think it's not enough. I think we need more example.
Oh, there's another one who can give an example and formula of molality.
Example, suppose you had 2.00 moles of solute dissolved in 1.00 liters of solvent. What is the molality? Given 2.00 moles and 1.00 liters, and molality is unknown. Formula, molality is equals to moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. Molality is equals to 2.00 mole over 1.00 kilogram. Molality is equals to 2.00 mole per kilogram.
How about you? Do you think you can give another example? What is molality?
Yes, I can challenge myself too. And here's the last example. What is the molality of solution when 18 grams of calcium chloride is dissolved in 450 ml of water? Unknown molality. Given 18 grams of calcium chloride and 450 ml of water. Formula, molality equals to mole of solute over kilograms of solvent. First, we get the molar mass of calcium chloride. The total molar mass of calcium chloride is equals to 111 grams of calcium chloride. 18 grams of calcium chloride is divided to 111 grams of calcium chloride is equals to 0.16 mole. We convert 450 ml of water into kilogram and move the decimal point to the left. And we get 0.45 kilograms. Molality equals to 0.16 mole divided by 0.45 kilograms of water is equals to 0.36 mole over kilograms, or 0.36 mole. And now, let's talk about dilution of concentrated acid.
Concentrated acid is an acid which is in either pure form or has a high concentration. Dilution concentrated acid refers to the process of adding additional solvent to a solution to decrease its concentration. This process keeps the amount of solute constant but increases the total amount of solution, thereby decreasing its final concentration. Dilution can also be achieved by mixing a solution of higher concentration with an identical solution of lesser concentration.
Do you know someone who can give an example of dilution of concentrated acid?
Yes, I know someone who can give An example and formula of dilution concentrated acid.
Example, if 25.0 ml of water is added to 125 ml of a 0.150 mole sodium hydroxide solution, what will be the molarity of the diluted solution? Given volume concentration is 125 ml, mole concentration is 0.150 mole, volume diluted is 150 ml, and mole dilution is unknown. Formula: volume concentration times mole concentration equals volume dilution times mole dilution. Solution: 125 ml times 0.150 mole equals m sub d over 150 ml. 125 ml times 0.150 mole is equal to 18.75 mole over ml divided by 150 ml. The result will be 0.125 mole as m sub d, or molarity diluted. I think it's not enough. We need another example.
Oh, here's the last one who can give another example and formula of dilution concentrated acid.
Example, what volume of water would you add to 15.00 ml of a 6.77 mole solution of nitric acid in order to get a 1.50 mole solution? This dilution problem uses the formula of V sub C times MC is equals to V sub D times M sub D, where V sub C is volume concentrated, M sub C is molarity concentrated, V sub D is volume diluted, and M sub D is molarity diluted. Solution: we substitute 15.00 ml to volume concentrated and 6.77 mole to molarity concentrated is equals to 15 ml plus X as volume diluted and 1.50 mole for molarity diluted. 15.00 ml times 6.77 mole is equals to 101.55 mole over ml. 15 ml plus X times 1.50 mole is equals to 22.5 mole over ml. X times 1.50 mole is equals to 1.50x mole. We transpose 22.5 m over ml, so 101.55 m over ml minus 22.5 m over ml is equals to 79.05 m over ml. We cancel out 1.50 m by itself, and we divided by it to 79.05 m over ml. So, 79.05 m over ml is divided to 1.50 m is equals to 52.7 ml.